Hello everyone, we are from Group 5. In this video, we would like to present our topic entitled Definition of Material Development, Principles and Procedure in Material Development. Through this presentation, we will discuss what material development is, why is important, and the principles and procedures involved in developing effective learning material. We hope this presentation will help us better understand the role of material development in education. What is material development? Material development is the process of creating, adapting, selecting, implementing, evaluating, and revising learning material used in the teaching and learning process. It is not only about creating new material from scratch, but also about improving existing materials so that the better meets student need to and learning goals. Teachers often need to modify material because students have a different level of ability, interest, and learning styles. Moreover, material should be designed to make learning more effective and meaningful. For example, if reading a passage in the textbook is too difficult for students, a teacher may simplify the vocabulary, shorten the text, or add pictures to help students understand the content more easily. Why is material development important? Material development is important because it helps teachers provide learning experience that match student need to and abilities. Well-developed material can increase student motivation, support learning objectives, and makes the learning process more effective. When students find the material interesting and relevant, they are more likely to participate actively in the. In addition, suitable materials can help students understand concepts more easily and improve their learning outcomes. For example, students might learn descriptive text through Instagram posts, since many students are familiar with social media. They may find the lesson more interesting, engaging, and relevant to their daily lives. Principles of Material Development. According to Tom Linson, 2012, an effective learning material should follow several important principles. First, a material should achieve impact, meaning the should attract learners' attention and stimulate their interest in learning. Second, material should be relevant to learners. Students learn more effectively when the content is connected to their needs, experience, and real-life situation. Third, material should build learners' confidence. Activities should be appropriate to student proficiency levels so that they feel capable of completing the text successfully. Fourth, material should encourage communication. Learners need to opportunity to interact, discuss, and use the language actively. And then material should promote active participation and should be involved in learning activity rather than simple receiving information from the teacher. For example, teacher can use videos, educational games, role play, and real life situation to make learning more meaningful, interactive, and enjoyable.
Skills development. This procedure includes 1. Needs analysis, 2. Setting objective, 3. Designing materials, 4. Developing material, 5. Implementing material, 6. Evaluating and revising materials. This step help ensure material are effective and suitable for learners. Example of material development process. 1. The topic narrative text needs analysis. Student find reading active boring. Student can identify narrative text structure. Animated story video, worksheet, or group discussion activity. Topic descriptive text. Student lack vocabulary. And material development. 1. Picture cards, vocabulary list, speaking practice. Students become more confident in describing peoples and places.
So guys, this finally conclusion, material development is an important process in language teaching. Why? Because they help teacher create learning material that are relevant, effective, and suitable for student needs. It involved not only creating new material but also adapting, implementing, evaluating, and revising existing material. To be effective, learning materials should attract student attention, put their confidence, and encourage communication and relate to their real life experience through a systematic process, including need analysis, setting objective, and designing, developing, implementing, and evaluating material. Teacher can provide meaningful learning experience that improves student motivation and participation in learning outcomes. Therefore, understanding the principles and the procedures of material development is essential for every teacher who want to support successful and learned centered instruction. Thank you.